Okay guys, the quick and dirty rear brake pad change when you're on the road or in the field, whatever. This is a Tenere 700 2021. So here's the part. I got lucky, just so you know, in Moab, go to Mad Bros Power Sports. They hooked me up. They had the pads in stock, so that's gotten out of the way. So I already changed them, but I'll give you the quick on it. All right, so it's super simple and fast. That's the brilliance of the Tenere. Pull this little pin up and out. That's like the little cotter thing. And then this pin, that's the shaft pin that goes through the pads, is tapped out right through here. I'm on the road here, so I don't have a lot of tools, so I actually just used my Allen wrench and I whacked it with my crescent wrench. Now, I kind of stuck it in there like this and tapped the pin out. And once you've got that other pin out, it'll just pop out. I did use a tiny bit of WD-40 in here, and then it's kind of held in on the other side. So you can see my pads were worn down pretty far. I was kind of getting a little worried about them getting too close, so I decided to swap them out. Before you do that though, before you do that, make sure you shove this piston in. So you'll see a lot of piston there when your pads are worn, and what you want to do is shove this in to crush that piston and force the fluid back in. I just used my boot. Literally, I just stepped on it like that with my foot, crushed it in. And if you forget, you can always just stick the old pad back in there and smush it with your boot, and it'll push over. Mine pushed over easily, got lots of room. The pads got slack. Pulled the pin, tapped the thing out, tapped the rod out from the hole with my Allen wrench, and I cleaned it up with some WD-40, slid the new pads in, went in like butter. They just cantilever in, so they're super simple. There's nothing, they cantilever in on the other side. There must be a shelf in there that the other tip sits on. And then literally I just tapped it in. I had my breaker bar for my thing, and I came through the spokes from the other side. You know what I mean? I went in the other side like this, and I tapped that rod back in, and I actually used an Allen wrench like this on the other side, and then whacked it with a bigger Allen wrench and whacked it with the breaker bar, and I was done. I mean, this was literally a 5-minute job or less, depending upon you know, your situation. But that's it. That's the beauty of it. That's the down and dirty quick Yamaha Tenere 700 brake pads on the road in the dirt. Talk to you guys later. Hope that helps. I'm also going to put a link down below to the pads on Amazon if you want to just order them up. Take care. Appreciate it, and likes and subscribes.